GoDaddy Airo helps small business owners look like business-building brainiacs, even when they don't always know what they're doing. Here's how. Let's say you make the world's coolest tiny speakers, and you want to go big. Just type a prompt, and Airo gives you domain names hotter than a bass drop. Plus, it whips up a slick, customizable Coming Soon page. In seconds, you've got a professional online presence that's a surefire hit. From one place, you can access all the tools you need to grow your business. Airo gets smarter the more you use it and recommends what to tackle next. Your product might be tiny, but it deserves a massive spotlight. Just tell Airo what kind of logo you want and hit play. Love it. Airo helps you create a professional website fast. Check out how easy this is. Just a little bit of info here. Pick a style, and it's ready faster than you can say tiny speaker with arena stack sound. Oh yeah. Let's see another option. Ooh, that one. It can handle WordPress sites too. You call the shots, so if you want something different, just tell Airo. Wow, look at that. See that? Easy. Airo handles the fine print for you too. Check out how easy this is. And boom, it's done. Take that, lawyers. It even makes recommendations to improve your SEO, so your audience can find your site more easily. You don't have to know marketing to build your audience. Airo leverages deep knowledge of your business, industry, and market dynamics to execute a marketing plan customized for your business. It creates a full, pre-populated social media content calendar so your social plan never misses a beat. Airo even helps you create catchy social posts to fill up that calendar, helping you find the right tone, caption, and content. Can't find the right image for your post? All good. Airo helps create the perfect image from scratch without having to scroll through endless stock photos. See that? Easy. Plus, we're constantly creating even better ways to help your business grow, so you always look like you know what you're doing. And that should be music to your ears. Get started today at GoDaddy.com.